Today we have a go at making walnut mooncakes. But before we even start, let's preheat the oven behind to 180 degrees. There are two important parts of making a walnut mooncake. Of course, the most important part is the pastry. We have 120 grams of flour here and 30 grams of butter. Remember to keep them really chilled, to mix them in and knead them together. Next step, we're going to add in about 70 grams of sugar syrup and a little alkaline water. Just a little bit. Continue to knead them together. Once you see your dough is nicely kneaded, you can take them out, roll them, divide them into 16 portions. We have our white lotus paste fillings, which we can get in some baking supply stores. We also have our salted egg yolks, which we divided into 16 portions. So now we're going to wrap our mooncakes and a lotus paste filling. Put the egg yolk right in the middle and cover it up with the lotus paste filling. We're going to put 2 walnuts at the side for extra crunch. Knead them into a circular shape. We're going to knead our dough into an oval shape. Press it down. The walnut facing in. Wrap it around. Add in 2 more walnuts, one on this side, on the exposed side, and one on the opposite end. So once we are done, we're going to transfer all the walnut mooncakes and we're going to egg wash them. Sprinkle some roasted sesame seed on top. Put them in the oven for 20 minutes. There you have it! Walnut mooncakes for the Mid-Autumn Festival. Why not try making this together with your family?